In terms of size, you can see this young bull that's just walking in front of us here now. Now he's only, difficult to say again exactly, but I would say 14 maybe, 13, 14 years old. And already he's about the same size as that adult female. Now she's got 2 calves already. I'd say she's probably at least in her 20s already. So males get much larger than females, even twice the size. You can also see that this guy's only recently joined them. He's a little bit more jumpy and aware of us. Whereas Somali and the 2 youngsters, they don't really mind us at all. They've been before. A couple of days ago when we had them, they were at one stage less than 2 meters from the car, right next to us. I mean, she could have touched us with her trunk. And as you saw earlier as well, when this bull wasn't right with them, they were very comfortable with us, even when I got out on foot with them. So this bull is a little bit more nervous still. He'll get used to it. Hey, little one. Love to walk with these guys. There's such a nice temperament about them. So just the way they move, the way Somali moves around the youngsters as well. I really like her attitude. Hey, little guys. Look at this little one. It's a little bit curious about us. You see, he wants to come and say hello. Hello. Feeding in our direction, but there's more to it than just pure chance. There's a little bit of curiosity there as well. See the eye open just now. Coming closer for a look. Look at that. Hey, gorgeous. Yes, come have a look at us. I love their eyes. Can I have another look at us just now? Hey. Mum's gone? Yeah. Stick with Mum. And this guy will probably shake his head at us once or twice. It's okay, dude. You'll get used to us. You'll get used to us. There we go. Just giving himself some confidence there. See, as he goes past, he'll turn maybe one more time. Come, dude. Just play for us. Come on. Come on. You want to.